so impressed with the organic textures so far, especially in like orchestral music, cinematic music.
Can you share one of your favourite songs? I would love to know the actual prompt for that, and then we can listen to it.
My favourite track so far is the finale. Was this amazing crescendo, but I did just want it to have a little bit more oomph. And it's amazing in ElevenMusic because you can just kind of take that section and drag it out, maybe add another 10 seconds, regenerate, and it honestly goes to some beautiful places sometimes.
Can you break down the process to that prompt and how you ended up getting that end result a little bit more?
What I'm finding prompting is there's no right way at the moment, but I'm really having fun with a lot of descriptive adjectives. For example, give me strings, woodwinds, brass swells, things like that. To go deeper, I was just throwing in tons and tons of emotive adjectives that weren't necessarily technical. So things like, awe-inspiring, majestic, powerful. I was finding that really fun because it was listening to those kind of prompts.
And so in terms of editing the original prompt, what are the features that you like to use within ElevenMusic?
I really like the extend feature of the structuring. Particularly I like it on intros and finales. So you can say, oh, give me more intro or give me more of the climax. That's really fun to see where it goes or where it starts. I really like just being quite honest and upfront with it. Sometimes it'll make me a track and I'm like, give me more. Just literally give me more. You can go incredibly deep with the initial prompt. But I think at the moment a 2,000 character limit. Or you can, also just sometimes give it 8 words of a prompt and then go deeper afterwards after that initial generation.
And would you recommend giving as much detail as possible?
Music's beautiful, right? Because no one can quite tell you why and why not some things sound great. For one genre, for one piece of music, you might get exactly what you want in 5 words. It's really remarkable. But then, another word, you might want to use a whole 2,000 character thing to, get the lyrics in there, get the structuring in there.
Are there any tips or advice that you would recommend to someone that's trying out ElevenMusic for the first time?
One thing that I really think is powerful is describing the core emotion. There's so much, dynamics in music. So use words like tension and finale and crescendo to really tell it to give you more depth to the structure.